If you've ever wanted to get more out of Google Chrome, one of the easiest ways is by adding extensions. Today, I'll show you exactly how to install any extension in just a few clicks. No hassle, no confusion, and if this helps you out, feel free to subscribe and drop a like to support the channel. Chrome extensions are incredibly powerful tools. They can boost your productivity, block ads, help you manage passwords, customize websites, or even add entirely new features you didn't know you needed. And the best part, there are thousands of them, so you can tailor your browser to work exactly the way you want. To get started, open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner. You'll see three little dots. Go ahead and click on them. A menu will drop down. Hover your cursor over extensions and then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This is the home of all Chrome extensions, neatly organized and easy to browse. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you can explore different categories or simply search for the exact extension you want using the search bar at the top. When you find one you're interested in, click on it to open its info page. Here you can read reviews, check screenshots, and see what this extension actually does. If it's the one you want, look to the top right and click Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm. Just press Add Extension. Within a few seconds, you'll get a pop-up telling you it's been added successfully. You should now see the extensions icon appear in the top right corner of your browser. Click it, explore the settings, and you're ready to start using it. Some extensions may ask for quick setup steps, but most are ready to go instantly. And that's all it takes. Simple, fast, and super useful. With just one install, you can drastically improve what your browser can do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. See you in the next one.